Hey guys, welcome back into the channel. I hope you are doing well. It's a bit of a red day in the crypto markets. We can see, however, pre-sales and ICOs still prove to be a lucrative investment strategy, and maybe you want to add some extra spice to your crypto portfolio, add some diversification. So these are some crypto pre-sales that I am looking at and slowly buying into, waiting for them to launch and go live in anticipation and speculation that I might make a lot of money from getting into them. So of course, you don't have to copy what I do, and remember, this is not financial advice. So let's have a look at this article from Investopedia. It says average investor earns 179% from ICO pop on first day of trading. Now this is quite an old article, but at least it somewhat shows performance, right? According to the study, an average investor earns 179% from day one of the launch in the next sort of 24 hours in the first day's opening market price. So I'd be keen to see the current statistics on that. And if you look at recent pre-sales like Love Hate Enu, you know, some investors got 300% gains on their investment, and I was fortunate to be one of them as well. So let's crack on. The first coin on this particular video is going to be Wall Street Memes, currently priced at 0.0259 per WSM token. Wall Street Memes is a huge pre-sale. It's absolutely massive. It's going to blow your socks off. It's absolutely skull crushing, this one. 1.8 million has been raised in less than 1 week. 3 days, 9 hours until the price does go up once again. So there are 30 pre-sale phases. I think it's got a market capital hard cap of 30 million. 2 billion tokens can also be purchased on the ERC20 or the BEP20 chain. It depends on what you prefer. So here we have a nice little blurb speaking about the token. I've got a link down below for you to click on, do your own research and learn about this particular project. But yeah, it's all about memes, having a bit of fun. Elon Musk interacted with this community in the past as well, which is another super bullish factor. And just recently they added their roadmap, so we can see they've got phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And what I think could happen here, because the community is already so large with over 500,000 following, is that we might see some tier 1 listings like Bybit, OKX and Kraken, you know, the Qcoin, those big ones right there, because we saw Pepe list there due to the community size. So there's always that speculation. Tokenomics look pretty decent for this particular coin as well, and they've got a massive $50,000 WSM airdrop, which is pretty juicy to see as well. So overall, I'm very, very bullish on this particular pre-sale. It's hard not to be. Here is their Twitter with 218k followers. I can't even speak. What's wrong with me? You're trying to listen to someone and take advice from someone that can't even read a number. But we can see the pre-sale is live, and you know, looking at the recent tweets, they're really trying to gain some traction and more following, which is super, super important, because really social media, community and hype is what really creates the value for these coins. Also, an analytics insight, they've been spotted. Wall Street Memes crypto presale raises $100,000 minutes after the launch. Is it going to be the next Pepe coin or the next Dogecoin? Of course, that is a speculative title right there. We don't know what's truly going to happen, but I've got the link down for Wall Street Memes below that you can have a look at. Make sure you use that link to ensure you are visiting the correct website, not financial advice, of course. The next coin is going to be more utility based. It's a recycle to earn ecosystem, and Altcoin Daily, one of the biggest YouTubers in the crypto space, just recently covered a video on this particular presale, and since then, you know, the amount raised has also soared quite crazily. 3 days, 12 hours until the price increases. The listing price is 0.01, so you're looking at over 20% gains from the current price level. If you care about the climate, carbon offset, you know, carbon tokens, credits, things like that, then this presale could be the one for you, because you are investing in a utility token that allows people to actually monetize and capitalize cryptocurrency by recycling, you know, cans or plastic and other sort of products like that. So very, very cool to see. Recycle to earn application, carbon offset marketplace, a recycled materials marketplace, and an impact trackable profile. We can see down below is a bunch of websites where they've already been listed, and that's really good for exposure across all geographics and of course global exposure as well. And we can see there's a lot of bullishness for this particular video. So they've got a video out already, like on the product and how it looks. You can see right here is an application. This is the application, some lady with the products taking it to one of the EcoTerra recycle machines, and you can see she's actually basically recycling a product and getting some Terra tokens for doing so, which is super, super cool. Moving into the impact profile, we can see you're going to get that profile on your application. Recycled materials marketplace, again on the application for EcoTerra. So there is a product here. This is very, very important. There is a product. 4 P's of marketing, right? Product, price, place. Can't remember the other one. Recycle and earn EcoTerra in 3 easy steps. Scan, recycle and earn, just like that. So you grab your bottle, whatever it is, you scan it, beep, chuck it in the recycle bin. Bang, you get your crypto, you save the planet. You are a hero, my friend. So yeah, that is the speculation for this particular one. We have a team. It's always nice to have a team. Meme coins usually don't have teams, and because everyone doesn't have a team, everyone copies each other and there is just no team. So it's a great excuse not to have a team and to show your face to the world. So Mihai is the CEO. Pretty cool to see a team of 6 working on this particular coin as well. EcoTerra have a 16,000 following on Twitter, which is of course very important too for that social impact. $4.4 million raised for this coin. Very, very awesome. And actually they had a 4.5 million raised just a few hours ago, one of their milestones. So the EcoTerra pre-sale link down below, please do use that one if you like this pre-sale. Pre-sale number 3. This one here is really, really cool. Really, really cool. If you are a freelancer, if you've got a skill, then maybe you found yourself on websites like Upwork, Fiverr. There's a few others out there. I can't really remember them all right now. However, Delance is striving to be the Web3 new recruitment platform. It's a recruitment platform which connects workers and freelancers together. And the amazing part about this particular ecosystem is that there is very, very small fees. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer are the competitors, the legacy systems that operate on, normal Visa, MasterCard payouts, or some other online banking systems. However, Delance has the best client fee, got the best freelancer fee. It's got a very small withdrawal fee, and it's instant in cryptocurrency. It's decentralized. They've got a token, NFT metaverse, staff recruitment. So it completely blows Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr out of the water. And I know this is so important because there are so many freelancers out there, graphic designers, coders, whatever it might be, contractors, that actually want to be paid in cryptocurrency. So I do see the Delance platform being a very, very useful particular market and pre-sale. The NFT marketplace, very, very cool to see that as well. We have the metaverse, a unique and immersive experiences for users, which is very important. So scrolling back to the top, we can see they've raised $1.2 million. At the moment, one Delance token is 0.038 USDT. The listing price is 0.057 USDT. Only 18 hours to go for this particular, 18 days to go for this particular coin. It can also be purchased across multiple chains. You've got ETH and BNB, so you can choose either of your choice, whichever you prefer, either ERC20 or BEP20 network, and then you just convert your tokens into Delance. So you need a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet once again, and it says connecting freelancers and recruiters like never before. So they're evolving the freelancing industry, which I do believe is a little bit dinosaur at the moment. So it's nice to see Web3, the transition from Web2 to Web3, sort of moving away from the old system, which really only favors the recruiter because they're taking such massive fees, So yeah, Delance looking cool. Lots of utility, incentive, and price appreciation. Tokenomically, it's looking super strong as well with 1 billion. We can see 30% to the pre-sale, 10% for liquidity, 2% rewards airdrop, 16% in sex listing, 10% to the team, 40% to the advisors, 18% to the reserved ecosystem. And here is the contract. So it's nice to see a contract nice and early. It's very important. Roadmap, we are sitting in the Q2 of 2023 at the moment, where hopefully soon we will see this token actually launch, because I don't think there is that long to go for it. And again, there is another team here, fully transparent, which is pretty important to have that team there for these utility based coins. Overview, they've got a great white paper that you should take a look at in your spare time. Like I say, the link is down below. It's not financial advice, but really understand what these ecosystems are about. Don't just ape into these coins without knowing what you're actually getting into, because it just doesn't make any sense. 27k following on Twitter, so they are still growing, and they just recently celebrated a $1 million raised. The next coin is an AI pre-sale. A token empowering the world's first all-in-one, one-stop crypto shop artificial intelligence ecosystem built specifically built for developers. So we can see it's in pre-sale stage 6. 1 YPRID token is 0.09 at the moment. The next stage will be $0.1, so the price is going up in those increments, but we can see the listing price is 12 cents, so you're making a juicy profit on paper at launch price if you were to buy today, for instance. So $6.5 million market cap listing, a 10x is 65 million, 100x is 650 million, which is very realistic in my honest opinion. 100 million supply, so that's a tiny supply. It can definitely go over $1, this particular token. So you're going to get AI signals, sentiment analysis, technical analysis by AI, and 25 plus chart pattern recognitions from the token. YPredict also defeats other competitor tokens like DeFi Trends, Dash to Trade, and Luna Crush in terms of helping you snipe and prospect the cryptocurrency markets, which is so important. It says here also trusted and backed by VCs and pro traders for a reason. And tokenomically, we can see the rounds that the pre-sale is currently in, so it's nearly at the end of the pre-sale, everybody, which would be pretty cool to see this go live. Another team that you can see for the transparency, but yeah, YPredict, artificial intelligence sort of trading platform, all for developers, traders, quants, and analysts. So I guess you are probably one of those. That could be another relevant one for you to check out if you wish. The link is down below. So YPredict has 18,000 followers at the moment, and you can see they are organically growing. They've just recently celebrated 18,000 followers too. I just really love the artwork and graphics for this particular ecosystem. I think it's so important to have sort of captivating artwork, and it's really nice for the SEO. Again, YPredict, a very healthy, big, juicy looking white paper, so you gotta do your own research, otherwise I'll be here for days and days just kind of spewing out all this information which you'll forget. But make sure you do check it out, have a look at their tokenomics, understand exactly the abstract, what the light paper entails. If you do have less time in your hands, it's still worth taking a look at because it will highlight absolutely everything about the pre-sale. For example, we can see there is a vesting period, 50% unlock at TGE, 6 weeks lock, 6 months vest, and you can see every single round what the price is, how many tokens are sold in the round. We can see we've got some taxations, and you can see what the ecosystem comprises of. So hopefully that didn't turn you off, but this is actually good because it prevents people from mass selling and it helps hold a stable price. The last one is going to be Launchpad, everybody. Launchpad coin right here, XYZ. Find the next Pepe before it explodes. So this coin will help you snipe the crypto markets and find those massive coins before they do take off. So this coin has raised $800,000, 1.5 million until the next pre-sale phase. Currently one LPX token is 0.0445 and the price will be going up to 0.046 quite soon. So yeah, the quicker you get in, like I say, for all of these pre-sales, the earlier you buy, the more you get per dollar spent, and therefore the more upside potential you have, the more profits you might be able to make. So it's all speculative, remember, not financial advice, but these are some pre-sales you can use for diversification. So really cool project, this one here. Key features: trading edge, you're going to get terminal, you're going to get DEX as well, and it says all of Web3 in one particular place. So it will help you understand market moves, it will help you learn how to trade, it will help you find those big coins through very special AI algorithms before the general public does, and that gets you in nice and early. They'll also have play to earn tokens, which is pretty cool. We love a bit of DeFi, play to earn. They're gonna have some exciting brands on the ecosystem. Got a white paper as well, and a long-term roadmap, which we can see right here, taking you through to Q3 of 2024. So I'm very bullish. I think a lot of good stuff can happen for this particular token too. But like I say, with all coins, doesn't matter what it is, even Bitcoin, nothing is financial advice, and you still got to be pragmatic with your approach to the coins and not risk more than you can afford to lose. Launchpad has 10,000 followers at the moment, where it's basically advertising that it's going to help people find their next 100x Web3 asset. So it's quite exciting. I think there's a lot of big potential for all of these coins. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like, and comment, and that would really help. And if you do want to get into my Discord down below, you can unlock some juicy trading signals like these ones. And if you do get into this particular Discord, which is amazing, by the way, so many people are making a lot of money, there's a big potential that you will also make some money like these traders here who are posting some of their gains. So Discord link down below. All 5 of these pre-sales are also linked down below for you to do your own research and due diligence. And remember guys, this is not financial advice. Have a blessed day, thanks for watching, and see you soon.